What's up, IQcodecians? You are all welcome to this new video tutorial. So in the video tutorial of today, we are going to be looking at how to uninstall any Windows built-in app. So any application that requires you complete uninstallation, for example, antiviruses, that when is uninstalled, residual files actually remain in your Windows operating system. So today we are going to be uninstalling a built-in app of Windows 10 called Get Help. So if you right click, you see there's nothing at uninstall. So I'm going to be uninstalling Get Help, and from this tutorial we're also going to uninstall any Windows built-in app that you don't actually love. So for example, tips, this is a couple of stuff we're going to look in this video tutorial. So see you next after the video introduction. Let us get into the video properly. Okay, back to the video. So I am Fabrice from IQcodec and I'm going to be a video instructor. So in the video today, as I said, we are going to be looking at how to uninstall any built-in Windows app and any application that requires complete uninstallation. For example, I did a tutorial on how to correct the problem of BlueStack version already installed, which actually is going very good. So I'm very grateful for those of you that love the video, and I also look forward to doing back the video about BlueStack 5. So for example, I said we're going to uninstalling Get Help, which is a Windows built-in app that does not have any uninstall option. So for this, you're going to need an application called Revo Uninstaller. So I am going to provide the download link of this application in the video description for those of you that want to have a look at it. So it actually has a pro version and a trial version. So the trial version actually allows you to use the program for 1 week. So for 1 week, you are going to be able to do what you want to do with it. But if you actually love it, you can go in for the pro version. So once you're on the application, user interface is pretty decent. You can still have force uninstall, but I will do another tutorial concerning this for uninstall. So we're interested at Windows app, so you go on to the Windows app. Once your Windows app, you're going to see in here all the built-in Windows app of Windows 10. So for example, if you're Windows 8, you are also going to see all the built-in app of Windows 8. So you can see here's a Get Help. So you need to right click and you can see uninstall. So there are a lot of cool things you can do with this app. So I'm going to be preparing a video tutorial on how to use the force uninstall to actually uninstall BlueStack 5. So let us uninstall. You can see create a full. So make sure you click on the continue. Once you click on the continue, look at what is going to happen. So this program is going to use command shell in order to uninstall this program. So without any, so you don't need to actually do anything, just follow what I did and click on the uninstall. We can see creating a full registry, and you can see PowerShell is already in process, and that is that. If you click in scan, now scanning here, you can see all the residual files that are left. So this is what is actually cool about Revo Uninstaller. Actually, after uninstalling a program, some residual files actually remain. For example, if you use a native Windows built-in uninstaller, for example, let us say if you go to Windows Explorer, so if you check out the native built-in uninstaller of Windows 10, so you can see in here you won't actually see these residual files. So you can see found leftover registry item. So what you do is that you need to just select all. Once you selected all, you click on delete. So make sure you click on delete. So are you sure you click on delete? And that is that about. So Get Help is not more available. So if you go back and search for Get Help, you'll no more see it in your search menu. So that is that. So I think that's the end of the tutorial. If you have any question concerning this video, please leave a comment. And if you have any suggestion for the next video, so I know all of you are actually demanding a video on BlueStack 5. So I'm going to do a video on BlueStack 5, a review of BlueStack 5. I'm going to do another video on BlueStack 5, how to solve the version already install of BlueStack 5, and I'm going to look at the best tips on how to optimize BlueStack 5 for the best game experience. So have a nice day. Hope you love the video. So please leave a thumb up, leave a comment, make sure you subscribe, and see you in my next video tutorial. I am Fabrice from IQcodec. Au revoir, à plus tard.